Most property managers are still manually booking showings, which means back and forth scheduling, slower replies, missed calls, and sometimes even missing out on leads. So we can fix that in 5 minutes and automate this whole process with the help of AI. And I'm going to show you how right now using Fast Response. You're going to make a free account. It doesn't cost anything to get started. Just test this out for yourself. And once you're in, you'll be prompted by the setup wizard. And if you don't see it, you can just go to your inbound AI assistant. Go to the setup wizard, click on real estate. We're going to copy and paste your company's website link. Put that right here, hit scrape. Give it a minute. It's going to extract all the info so it can customize your first agent. This is going to take care of most of the heavy lifting. And from there, we're going to be able to make customizations to the voice, to specific parts of the script, and all the things to make it feel a lot more personal and unique to our business. So as you can see, extracted all the info right here, and we can hit next. Here we can choose the different functionalities that we want. In this case, we're just focusing on appointment booking, so we're going to click on book appointments. And we can also do texting a link for confirmations as well. Let's go ahead and hit next. And as you can see, it also generated 14 different FAQs based on the website that it scraped. It's actually looking at your website, extracting data, and customizing your agent for you. Now we're gonna save. Down here, we can actually change the greeting message. We can have it say really whatever we want. And here we can change the voice. So let's say we wanna have a different voice. We can test it out.
Hello. Thank you for calling County Property Management. I'm here to help you with any questions you may have about our property management services. How can I assist you today?
So I'm just gonna go ahead and shorten that. We'll take out the middle sentence. It'll just say, hey, thanks for calling County Property Management. How can I assist you? Okay. We can also choose the end of the call message as well. We can choose if we want background sound or not. I like to leave this off. And we can always add additional details here. This is where you can add really, really specific sets of instructions. You could add entire scripts in here if you really wanted to. But for the sake of simplicity, we're going to keep this simple right now. And you can always add in more functionalities like transferring calls, blocking spam, but we won't dive deep into that right now. Now let's focus on the booking appointment side of things. So here we need to actually connect one of our calendars. We can either do Google or Outlook. So what you're simply going to do is just click on connect, and you're going to log in and basically give this permission to access your calendar. And from there, it's going to be able to read availability and create calendar events on your calendar. And you can choose how long you want the appointments to be and between what hours. And you also want to allow weekend bookings, or do you want to only keep it to weekdays? And you can also choose if you want same day bookings. And then once you're good, you just save your availability right here. And that's how easy it is to connect your calendar. You'll also be able to choose your own phone number that you can assign to your assistant. You can choose your own area code, and you can choose whether you want the AI to respond to all the calls or only come in as a backup if no one on your team is available to answer. You can also turn on notifications. So after every call happens, you can decide if you want to receive an email, a text. And now so we can actually make the agent read out the listings when the customer asks. The way we're going to do that is under answer questions. You drop it down. We're going to go to website listings on the right-hand side. And we want it to be when the caller asks about listings. Then we're going to go back to the website, click on your listings page, copy that URL, paste that here, and hit scan. Now it's reading all 3 available listings right here. So now we're ready to make an actual test call and see how this all comes together.
Hello. Thank you for calling County Property Management. How can I assist you today?
Hey, what are your guys' listings?
I'd be happy to share our current property listings with you. Since this is a test call and there's no real phone number connected yet, could you please provide your cell phone number? I'll send you a one-time text with a link to all our available properties.
Just tell me what's available over the phone.
Let me check that. We currently have 3 rentals available. A 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath in Agora Hills for $2,750 a month. A 4-bedroom, 2-bath in Camarillo for $4,100. And another larger 4-bedroom, 2-bath with panoramic views for $5,200 per month.
Just text me, actually.
Would you like?
Yeah, I want to receive a text.
9961. Is that correct?
Yeah.
May I send? Let me send you a text now.
Let's make an appointment for Tuesday at 9 a.m.
We have an opening on Tuesday, April 7th at 9 a.m. Can I get your full name and email address to book the appointment?
John Smith. My email is... All right, so as you can see, this is the text that I got, and also it did read out the listings, as we can see right here. It was actually looking at these 3 listings that were on that site. And as you can see, it also created the appointment slot in the calendar here. On the receiving end, I also received an email as well from the caller's end, right? So You get notifications on your side, and the person also gets notifications as well. So yeah, that's how quick and easy it is to set up something like this. So this way, no more missed calls, going back and forth, trying to scramble together booking appointments. Let the AI take care of your front lines, or at the very least, when no one's available to answer the phone after hours, try it for free. See how easy it is? And hopefully this accelerates your operations. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.